Today on Cravings Food Adventures, we're making Hakka garlic chicken. This very popular recipe is found in Chinese menus across India and around the globe. It's simple to make and packed with flavor. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, that's YouTube's bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with 3 chicken breasts. This is roughly 2 pounds and that's approximately 900 grams to a kilo. I'm going to start cutting these into small pieces. You can also use chicken thigh if you prefer. I have an onion here. I'm just going to use about half and I'm going to quarter this and separate the petals. This will yield about 1 cup. I'm going to slice the bulbs of 2 spring onions. This is roughly half a cup. Garlic is a must. Duh, it is called garlic chicken after all. I'm going to use 10 cloves. To balance the garlic, I'm going to add about an inch-long piece of ginger. I'm going to slice this and then cut it into julienne strips and then finally mince it. This will yield about 2 tablespoons. I'm also going to mince my garlic the same way. I'm going to julienne it and then mince it. You can also use a garlic press if you like. This is going to yield 3 tablespoons. I'm especially excited about these chilies since they came from my garden. I'm just going to slice these diagonally. This is roughly about a quarter cup and you can use less chili if you like. Heat some oil in a wok and I'm going to start with the ginger followed by the garlic. You want to cook off that raw flavor but not burn the garlic, so keep an eye on the temperature. I'm going to throw the onion petals in and I'm going to allow them to saute. Throw in the chili and I'm going to follow with the cubed chicken. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of chili paste or sambal olek. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And I'm going to mix this in. Add some salt to taste. And I'm going to allow this to really coat the chicken before I add some more chili paste. That's another 2 tablespoons of chili paste, another 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, and another 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm going to allow the chicken to finish cooking and I'm going to add 1 cup, that's a little over 200 ml of chicken stock, and I'm going to allow this to simmer. I'm also going to add in the spring onion bulbs. To thicken the gravy, I'm going to add a cornstarch slurry that is simply cornstarch and water mixed together. Finally, I'm going to garnish this with some spring onion leaves and chopped coriander. Serve this with rice or fried noodles. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this super simple recipe for Hakka garlic chicken. And don't forget, I am running a giveaway on my channel till the end of the year. This includes a box full of my favorite ingredients, including a Cravings apron and a mug. So all you need to do is comment on any video with the hashtag Cravings and you will be entered automatically for your chance to win. All of the details are in the description. Do share my channel as well as my videos with your family and friends. Make sure you're checking out the recipes on cravingsfoodadventures.com, as well as follow me behind the scenes. I post a ton of behind the scenes footage to all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, happy eating. Take care. Bye.